Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and also I should welcome back myself because for not uploading for so long time, even though I promised that I would be making a series on Redbubble and how to make sales on Redbubble. So the reason is that my account got suspended. The Redbubble account that I was linking in my description was the main account and the only account that I was making a substantial income, passive income from. And out of the blue, I had no idea how that happened, but it got suspended. One day I was just trying to, put in my username and password, and I got a message that you cannot log into your account because your account has been suspended. I think it happened in the month of September, and I am so happy that I had not made any sales that month because from all the research that I did, if your account gets suspended, Redbubble keeps the money and doesn't give you anything. So yes, it was some kind of a win for me, even though it was not a win. But yeah, Redbubble did not steal money from me. So after this happened, I went on the internet, like the Reddit, Facebook groups, YouTube, Quora, also Quora, and I researched a lot. So the first thing that I came to know is that Redbubble can be a bit racist. I don't know if it's true or not because what I found is that they target non-English speaking countries, like people from countries that whose native language is not English. They suspend their account, and also the second thing that I found is that they have a very sensitive filters. So if you try to log in into your account from different IPs, it might send a signal to their system or the filter that your account might be a bot. So yeah, that might be true. That might be true because I don't know how their algorithm works, but yes, that can happen. Also, I did some more digging. I found that Redbubble mostly does not look at your artwork or whatever design you are uploading. It might copyright strike you. I don't know what it is. I am forgetting the term. So it might under review. It might put your design under review based on the tags that are using. So I would suggest you not to use those tags which might be branded or might be a property of someone else. So these tags can range from anything like a name of a celebrity, that is the intellectual, I don't know, so name of the celebrity or brand names or anything which is not in the public domain, so don't put. And I think that is what I did wrong. I in the month of September, I think the new Netflix movie Enola Holmes came, and I made a very great design for that. And I think I put the name of the actress Millie Bobby Brown, and that might have, I don't know, got me a red strike and I was suspended. So I don't know. The only thing that you can do is that go to the help section or the contact us page on the Redbubble website, and tell them that your account has been suspended and you have not broken any rules. And so the first time you will get a auto reply mail that your message has been your message has been submitted, and we will get back to you in 2 to 3 days. So the first time that it happened, I got this mail and I did not get any further messages from them. So I think about 3 weeks ago I mailed them again, and I got the same auto reply, but I got another mail that your message has been sent to the some team or something like that, and we will contact you back. But I have not received any further messages or mails from them. But yes, so the crux of this video is that don't use any copyrighted tags or description or words in your keywords or tags, because it sets a red flag that this is not your content, even though your artwork is not infringing. But don't use such keywords. There is no point getting those few clicks and then be suspended, because you have to start a brand new account and it takes a lot of time to get traction for your store. Also, the one last thing that I learned is that don't if you want to do this right, don't solely depend on Redbubble. Go explore different websites. Like now I have also opened this store on TeePublic and Teespring. So TeePublic is the sister website of Redbubble. That is, I think Redbubble acquired TeePublic. I think this is what I think you should do. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And yes, I have started a new Redbubble account, but sorry, I won't be linking my store because I don't want to get suspended again. And the next video is coming. I have already made the video. I just have to edit it a bit, add some new things that I learned, and yes, I will be uploading it soon. Okay, bye, thanks.
Oh, this you crazy mother.